Hey, this is Rat. On the last video, we went over the, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, the Holzer banana slicer, model number 571. Today we're going to look at a competing product. This is called the Bonanza. It's a slightly different slicer. And we're going to see how it does. Now, it's going to be a bit different. The other one was just looked like a piece of corn or something. You just put it on top of the banana and press down. This one you actually insert the banana through the metal rings, metal teeth. It kind of goes like that and slices it. And then the slices just kind of free fall. So we're going to give it a go and try to compare the two. Alright, now I've just gotten it out of the package and already am a little disappointed with it. I was hoping it would kind of open up a bit for larger items such as plantains, cucumbers, but it does not. It's just a quick pressing mechanism. That's pretty much all you can do with it, so let's try that anyway. First, we're going to try the non-peeled banana. See how that goes. And not a whole lot of love there. So, we're going to try peeling it now. So, peeled banana going through there. It's a little better. These are much smaller slices than I got from the Holzer. And I'm trying to keep my finger out of there, but it looks like I've got this wasted chunk at the end. So, that seems like an issue I didn't have with the last one. Now, I'm going to try a plantain. See if we have any luck with the plantain. Slicing the plantain alright. At least it was till we got to the middle of the plantain. With the bigger plantain, I suspect we might have some issues there. Got pinched a little bit by the back of the handle. And a little bit of waste at the end there. Alright. This is a test I was a little bit curious about. I didn't even bother trying this one with the other slicer. We're gonna give this a go. This is just a regular carrot, not boiled. And yeah, no real luck on that. Actually, looks like I'm starting to bend the blades. But that was worth a try. Cucumber. Obvious issue there. Again, the issue I thought we were going to have. Maybe if you slice it down or get some pickle-sized cucumbers, that might work, but standard-sized cucumber, just not gonna happen. So there you have have it. The Bonanza, much thinner slices, better slices, but a little bit of waste, and I wasn't expecting this, but definitely more limited than the Hertzer 571. There you go.